What is up, y'all? SouL here, joined by
The ButtQueen.
And we're going to be playing some different board games this time. The first one being Travel Blokus.
It's a really fun game that is very similar to Tetris, only you're playing against someone, so it's like battle Tetris. And it's personally one of my favorite games, and it was introduced to me by SouL, and I think you all will enjoy this because it gets competitive. Would you like to go first? Seeing
Sure.
as you're reaching for the...
I don't know if you can see it, but there are two dots, and those are where you have to start out with the one that's closer to you with one of your pieces on that dot.
It gets very competitive.
And then you have to play your next one. You can't go diagonal. You have to be touching. Has to be, I think the word is adjacent.
I don't know. I read, but I don't understand. Okay. Now, fans, I need your help. Please comment down below what move I should do. Just kidding, that wouldn't work. Because this video is going up.
So we're not live streaming.
Gosh, I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna there. Now see, this is where it's getting tricky because I've already blocked him off one way, but he's gonna start going the other way to try and cut me off, and I have to figure out a way to get through all this, and yeah. Oh gosh. See, and he's played this for much longer than I have, so he is far more experienced at this game than me. But here's hope. And the goal is to, well, first block off your opponent, but then get all of your pieces onto the board. And if you don't get all of the pieces to fit on the board, then you've pretty much lost. But if the other opponent, even if they get all of the things on the board, wait, no, shoot. Okay, let's say both you and your opponent get all your things on the board. There could still be a different number of... I'm trying to think of how to explain this. There could still be a larger number of squares on your side
That you...
And they count towards your score that you have technically taken.
I believe it's your turn.
Oh, no, I went. Because I put one here.
And I put one here.
Oh, so it is my turn.
Unless, you know, the people watching are just laughing at us right now because we have no idea what we're doing.
Probably are. Because this is our first board game that we've played on the channel.
Yeah. Well, first for everything.
And this is our first time. Oh, it's my turn. Goodness. I am just so distracted. Because I'm trying to
talk. I'm sorry.
And I'm trying.
Should I take some of that off? I guess. I don't know how.
What?
Blah, 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 blah.
Oh, we could always re-record. There's always that. But yeah, this does get very competitive and I will probably punch him in the face. So in the next video, you may see SouL with a black eye. You have to be very strategic with where you place them because, as you can see with SouL, he is slowly filling in, but making sure that everything in here is filled in. Me, on the other hand, I am just praying and hoping that I don't lose again. Not that he'll glow, I just really don't like losing. was probably a mistake right there. As you can see, that was a mistake, as I have nowhere else to put my pieces. And if SouL can put down his next piece, he will. And he wins!
Good game.
Yeah, good for you.
Yep.
See, folks, in my experience, those who lose tend to be losers. So, I'm a loser. Yay!
Not in my book.
Oh, how sweet.
I just play it more than you.
That is true. I haven't played this in a couple months, actually. A few months ago was actually the first time I ever played it. But it is a very entertaining game. At least for me. What about you?
It's a very nice time waster.
Good filler. Good filler for our channel.
Yeah.
I'm so slow at picking these up.
I started before you, it's okay.
That is true.
And you can do what we're about to do and alternate turns for the next round.
Mm-hmm.
ButtQueen will go first.
Yes, I shall. Just have to figure out which piece to put down. Feeling risque, let's do that. Why did I do that? I could have done that better. But I did not. Learn from my mistakes, dear children. Oh, see, now I can't find the piece that I need. And I know I didn't already put it down. Where is it? Is that it? Is that it? That's not it. I also have terrible depth perception, so there it is. Eh. Nope. There it is. Oh, shoot. How did I know you were going to use that piece on me? Rude. Just rude. Dang it. I was hoping you wouldn't see that. Because sometimes they don't notice when there's just a little bit like right there, you could sneak through. But he noticed, so I have to figure out a new battle plan.
There goes that too.
Mm-hmm. Haha. Nope, that's not what I want. I just realized I already put that piece down. Okay. New strategy. I almost think we might have a tie.
Looks like it.
We'll just have to see.
Mm-hmm.
Aha. Well, folks, I'm gonna say it, but I might jinx myself. I think I might win this one. Chances are I've just jinxed myself, but...
No, you've won.
Oh, I have?
Not yet, you might.
That is cheating, mister. And I have one pizza. There. So I won that one. Wow. Good game.
Good game.
I honestly did not think I would win. I thought you had it. Now I can't get this pizza.
Start with the image.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Who should the next round be the world's quietest round? It's not really a let's play.
Yeah. I don't know. We can't get our voices as deep as Markiplier's, so.
I don't know. Can we?
No, we cannot.
And also, you're naturally quiet and I'm naturally loud, so I'd be the one who is being quiet. You would just be normal.
Yeah.
Well, it's your turn. I will try to be silent this round and leave the commentary to SouL.
This is going to be boring.
We have to entertain the masses. And by masses, I mean our 7 subscribers.
14, actually. Just went up 2.
Really? I don't mean to sound shocked, but I am shocked. So I just got a very weird urge to say, the ButtQueen feels conflicted about fighting a dude. From
Long time last
Avatar.
Airbender.
Because I just realized the ButtQueen and the boulder
Yeah.
syllables. Yay. Oh, shoot. I don't want to do that. No. No, that's not compute.
Man, I wish we had, like, a full-time editor right about now.
Oh, that'd be nice.
Just add some battle music to the background.
Just on repeat.
Maybe throw in some 2 steps from hell.
I got this.
Oh, no.
Let me just do my.
Please don't.
I don't know.
We need non-copyrighted music, though.
I know non-copyrighted music. Just a second.
Everyone be afraid. Because it's BQ's turn.
Okay, I will go while I'm looking up music. Meanwhile, it's gonna go on for. Wait, what if I just record myself going dun 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 dun? Gosh, why do I have so much? I'm trying to think of stuff that I can use that it won't be sued for. See, all the music I have saved is too sweet.
It's also your turn.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
I'm so sorry. Well, dun 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 dun. Dun. Yeah, you're gonna win this one. I can see it already. If you guys would like to play your own battle music while you're watching this, we will not be offended. And what's even better is you can listen to your own music and you won't get sued for copyright infringement. The FBI will not track you down for listening to your own music, but they'll track us down for playing any music. that is all that I can do. Add that one, that one, this one, and I have this one. None of which I can use in this one spot. When are we gonna get a tie? That'd be awesome if we could get a tie. Probably won't, but cool if we could. Because it is possible if you just believe.
Hey guys, camera kind of cut out
But
after that one.
don't worry, that was the end of.
Yeah, that was. We
those
were going to
games.
go with 3, but we're just doing this to do the correct outro.
Yes, and as you can see, we made this for you.
So
Oh, do you want to do it?
we can do it together or try.
Okay.
So
Stay.
everyone.
Dang it, I messed up. you do it.
So everyone, stay safe and
And
have
have
a
a
glorious
glorious
day.